how we can prepare for a giant asteroid that's on a collision course with Earth in just 8 years. There's been a lot of buzz lately about a huge asteroid that's barreling its way towards our planet, with some predictions suggesting it'll make landfall in a little under a decade. Experts believe the explosion will be so powerful in the sky that it releases energy hundreds of times greater than the Hiroshima bomb, a blinding flash, almost as bright as the sun itself, lighting up the horizon, and shockwaves so intense they could flatten everything in their path for miles. It sounds like something out of a disaster movie, but this could be the reality if a massive asteroid were to collide with Earth. But just how close are we to a catastrophic impact? And what can we do to prepare for the worst? A newly detected asteroid, nearly the size of a football field, now has a greater than 1% chance of colliding with Earth in just 8 years. 2024 YR4. This asteroid was first spotted on December 27, 2024, by the ELSOS Observatory in Chile. Based on its brightness, astronomers estimate it's between 130 and 300 feet wide, large enough to cause city-level devastation if it strikes. By New Year's Eve, it had landed on the desk of Kelly Fast, NASA's acting planetary defense officer, as an object of concern. The risk assessment kept climbing, and on January 29, 2025, the International Asteroid Warning Network, IO1, issued a memo. According to the latest calculations, there's a 1.6% chance this asteroid will collide with Earth on December 22, 2032. If it does, possible impact sites include the Eastern Pacific Ocean, northern South America, the Atlantic Ocean, Africa, the Arabian Sea, and South Asia. Asteroid 2024 YR4 follows a highly elliptical 4-year orbit, swinging through the inner planets before shooting past Mars and out toward Jupiter. For now, it's zooming away from Earth. Its next close pass won't come until 2028. But scientists are watching closely. This isn't the first time humanity has faced such a threat. In 2004, the asteroid Apophis was initially projected to have a 2.7% chance of striking Earth in 2029. And also, let's not forget the most infamous asteroid impact. 66 million years ago, a 6-mile-wide space rock triggered a global winter, wiping out the dinosaurs and 75% of all species. By contrast, 2024 YR4 falls into the city killer category. If it were to strike over a major city like Paris, London, or New York, it could wipe out the entire metropolitan area. The explosion from an airburst would equal around 8 megatons of TNT, more than 500 times the power of the Hiroshima bomb. If it explodes over the ocean, the impact would be less concerning, unless it happens near coastline, triggering a devastating tsunami. Scientists aren't panicking yet, but they're not taking any chances. NASA and other space agencies are already exploring ways to deflect or destroy potentially hazardous asteroids. Missions like DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test, have shown promise in altering an asteroid's trajectory. While the odds of 2024 YR4 striking Earth are low, its discovery is a stark reminder of the threats lurking in our solar system. Thanks to advancements in technology and global collaboration, we're better prepared than ever to protect our planet. The question is, will we act in time? Let me know in the comments. What do you think about the risks posed by asteroid impacts? And what do you think we can do to prepare for the worst?